When your hot tub goes, you need to figure out why. Here's how it's done. This is a short ancillary video showing the process I went through to ultimately determine that the circulation pump was bad on my hot tub. This process may not cover all hot tubs in all situations, but this is what worked for me. Also, you are working around water and electricity. If you are not comfortable with either of those two things, do not attempt this yourself. The 30 amp breaker kept tripping, which in general means something is malfunctioning and drawing a lot of current. On my hot tub, the heater, each of the two jet pumps, and the circulation pump all run off the 30 amp breaker, so I decided to start there and do a basic elimination test. With all the breakers to the hot tub off, I began by removing the heater from the equation, which honestly I thought was going to be the culprit. I turned the breakers back on and that's not it. All breakers off again, I next disconnected the first jet pump. Note that the heater is still disconnected. Reapply power? Nada. All breakers off. Next, I disconnected the second jet pump while leaving the heater and the first jet pump also disconnected. Power up? Nope. All breakers off again. Lastly, I disconnected the circulator pump. Again, the heater and the two jet pumps are also disconnected. Apply power? That's a good sign. I power off the breakers one more time and reconnect the heater and the two jet pumps, but leave the circulator pump disconnected. Power on? And no tripping. So I'm feeling pretty good about the idea that the circulator pump is bad. Now, just as a sanity check, I got out my multimeter, set to AC, and tested the voltage at the circulator pump terminals. It's showing 120 volts, so I was fairly certain the issue was the pump and not the board or something else. That's how I used the process of elimination to determine what was malfunctioning on my hot tub. Check out the companion video to this one to see how to actually replace the pump. If this was helpful to you, please strike that like button. If you have other hints or tips, please leave a comment below. Until next time, I'm mainejason.